Hello boys, so I'm going to show you this pure line 400 watt mercury vapor light fixture. Now this I got from a light shop or a hardware store, and it's pretty expensive. It cost me about 130 bucks, and it did come with a bulb, of course. On the side it says, you might notice the letters MB, then a 400, which means it's a mercury vapor 400 watt light fixture. Of course, this does not have a switch yet. I've got to install a switch on it. It doesn't have a reflector. I'm going to make a reflector for it. And on the base, it's E40 base. And yeah, and this two screws that holds this plate on, so that way you can access the control here. And on the bottom there's this little bracket there, so that way you can hang it. I bent that so that way I could sand it up, put 2 extension feet on. Okay. Now, this is 400 watt batten fixture. Okay, and I've tested it and it works fine. So we're going to, grab a lamp. This is the Sylvania bulb. So let's stick this in the fitting and we're going to fire it up. Okay, I don't have a reflector on this yet, so I'll put a reflector on it. Now, I really shouldn't be doing that with the bulb on the bed, we're not going to have it on for long. So, plug it in. Turn off these 2 lights and fire it up. There we go, that's heating up. Now you can actually hear the hum of the ballast. You might notice the pinky glow from the mercury vapor as it heats up. It's warming up. It looks pretty white it looks like a whitish pinkish colour on the video, but in real life you get a little more of the pinky glow, the globe in real life. You can actually hear that humming. You can actually feel it vibrating. With mercury vapor, it emits white light and not orange, like the high pressure sodium. And this is pretty cool bat fitting. Inside, I'm pretty sure you can see the arc tube inside there. Pretty sure you can see its arc tube. And of course the arc tube looks kind of blue because these lamps do emit UV radiation. But this one is not emitting UV radiation because it's a phosphor coated bulb. It's a bit... There we go. Now these phosphor bulbs do not emit UV radiation or anything, so you can look directly at it without glasses or anything. It's not an issue at all. Well, if this was a clear bulb, I wouldn't be looking directly at it. Okay. Of course, here you might notice the ultraviolet radiation, bluish colour. There is another one of the series of mercury lamp, which is a blacklight blue. I'm going to see if I can get hold of one of them. Of course, it's getting pretty bright. It gets pretty bright, these lamps. I'm not going to have it running for too long. Well, I guess that's all I'm going to run it for, so I'll turn it off. So, that is my 400 watt mercury vapor light fixture. In another video I'll show you the internals. Okay, and that will be it.